VW Passat. No start. Start relay circuit. Activation. Start relay 2. Open circuit. Signature's on. Press start button. Nothing. So check the fuses first. It's 5 amp. Yeah, that's the starter relay fuse. Lights up. Perfect. So now the wiring for the relay goes through there, goes on the back there into this multi-plug here, and this goes back out to the fuse box up front. Lights up. Look at this. Really there, teed into there, using multimeter to bypass it. You can start there. It starts. So the broken light is just in there. You can see it. Just there. There we go. Right, now to strip the loom and repair it. There you go, that's all repaired, sealed and everything. Good to go. Next one will be put it all back together.